Hi guys, I'm having issue to connect my Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Got an issue to connect with my phone. I didn't use them for a while, maybe I don't know 6 months or more than that for some reason. And yeah, I just found out I can't connect them with my phone. What happened with the left one? Actually, I couldn't connect anything with my phone, left or right, any of those. So what I found out, when you put it in the charging spot in your charger, always coming green lights over here, you can see that. But as I said, I've just found out the battery is empty on the buds, and they can't connect it with my Samsung phone. After lots of googling and YouTubing, I just find out you have to play a little bit. For some reason it's like a, I believe, software error on those buds. So what you need to do, showing you here green light, which is mean it's fully charged, but it's not for some reason. So what you need to do, just that happened with my left one, and I fix it up after maybe 12-13 times putting on and take it off in the charger case. So I'll try to do same stuff with my right buds, because right one does not connect with my phone. So what are you doing? Just take it off, lights it's off, put it on. It's red, but shortly will come green again, which is giving you a fake information. It's not fully charged. So you're doing that again. Put it back. It's red, will come up green again. Or maybe no. Oops, green again. So take it off, put it back on. It's still red. It comes up green again. Off. Red. So what we need to do, I did same with the left one, and takes me maybe 12-13 times after taking off and putting on to stay red light. When it's red, it means it's charging, battery is not full. So let's try with this one how many times. I think this is fourth or fifth. Red. Stay red, buddy, stay red. Oof. Red. If stay red, if the light's still red, that means it start charging. So you see guys, takes me like 6-7 times on off in a charger case, and finally start working. To be honest, I spent a couple of days to resetting, finally reading instruction from Samsung and stuff like that. Did not help anything, but I find out this one it's working. I'm not sure if it's like a software error or something like that, but look, it's red. Can you see? It's red. That means it's charging. I put the left one on again to see if the light is gonna change. Yeah, it's red. Great news. See? Red light. That means it's charging. After this, when lights comes up green, that's mean both buds they're fully charged. As I said, same things I did with the left one, but with the left one takes me maybe 12 13 times to take it off and put it on again in a charge case to start charging up with the red light. When it's red light, it's charging. If it's green constantly, that's mean does not work properly. Unless you fully charge them for a while. Try this before you do anything, and yeah, let me know in a comment if you can. Thank you very much. Have a good day.